Everyone wants to know what products are winning right now, but before you spend another hour looking for winning products, there's a bigger question that you need to be asking yourself. Is your dropshipping business actually ready to handle the growth? Because there are a lot of you guys that are trying to scale a store that does not have the systems, tools, or the workflow to support the growth. They're so focused on finding the next winning viral product that you're not even paying attention to whether you can efficiently source products, create listings, manage inventory, or even handle more sales if your business starts to actually grow. Now that we have Q3 right around the corner, now is the best time to actually step back and audit your business. Today, I'm going to walk you through the things that I would personally evaluate in my business if I was preparing a dropshipping business for the second half quarter of 2026. And instead of just talking about it, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean inside the Doba platform. By the way, this is going to be a full in-depth tutorial, so make sure you grab a pen and a paper and you're ready to learn. So the first thing I'd audit is my product sourcing process. If you're spending hours bouncing between supplier websites, social media trends, and random product recommendations, that's usually a sign that you don't have a repeatable system in place. Inside Doba, I can browse products, explore the categories, check suppliers, and evaluate opportunities all in one dashboard. What I really love is that instead of wondering where to look next, everything is organized in one place. So as I'm strolling through products, I'm not just looking for something that's trending. I'm looking for products that fit a specific audience and solve a specific problem. So when preparing for Q3, I'd want a system that helps me consistently discover new products. Let's go ahead and look at a product as an example. One of the first things I always look at is the product itself. You want to be asking yourself, does this product solve a problem? Does it fit a specific niche? And can you actually picture someone buying this online? A lot of beginners get excited about products simply because they're trending, but trends do not always equal sales. So the next thing you should absolutely be paying attention to is the pricing. So this is what helps me understand potential margins and whether the product makes sense for my store or not. Because even if the product looks amazing, slow shipping can create a poor customer experience. So I'm also paying attention to the supplier's information. If I'm going to be building a business for a long term, I'm going to need a reliable supplier and consistent fulfillment. Remember, the goal isn't just to find products. The goal is finding products that you can confidently test, sell, and later on scale. And having all this information available in one place is going to make it much easier for you to make informed decisions. Now, the second thing I would go ahead and audit is my listing process. Finding products is one thing, but getting them into your store and listed on your website is another. A lot of sellers lose momentum because every new product that they have to list, it feels like a long manual process because they're doing it themselves. Inside the Doba platform, you can import your products, connect to your store, and bypass the stress from the entire listing process. And trust me, you guys, if you're trying to test multiple products and add different products to your store throughout the year, saving time on this task is going to make a huge difference. You're just simply selecting whichever product you're interested in adding to your dropshipping store, and you're importing everything with it, including the title, the images, and the hashtags. So the third area I would audit is the workflow efficiency. And this is exactly where the AI is going to come in and save you tons of time. So for example, let's say we wanted to use the market research tool that Doba has. We're just going to go ahead and type in an example. So for today's example, let's say I wanted to find a skincare product or a makeup product that was specifically created for moms. So Doba's Market Scout feature is definitely a tool that needs to be highlighted. So Doba's Market Scout is going to give you another way to discover products and another way to identify opportunities that you may have otherwise missed. Instead of randomly strolling social media hoping to find a new idea, you're using tools specifically built for product discovery. Then there's Doba Pilot. I want you guys to think of this as another layer of support that's designed to help speed up sourcing and listing products. Remember, the goal is not to replace your decision making. The goal is to reduce repetitive work so you can spend more time focusing on growth. Now, once you're done auditing your workflow, the next question becomes, what tools do you actually need based on your current business stage today? This is where Doba's Midyear Growth Carnival comes into play. So what I love about this campaign is that it isn't just focused on discounts. The goal is helping sellers to choose the growth bundle that best fits where they are right now. So instead of asking what's the cheapest option, the better question is actually, what does my business need next? So let's go ahead and take a look at a few of the available bundles. The first option we have is the basic annual, and this bundle is geared more towards sellers who are focused more on long-term growth. Then we have the standard quarterly, which includes access to the Doba Pilot kits. So this bundle is geared more towards sellers who already have some experience and just want additional support, more capacity, and they want more workflow automation. Really having those additional AI-powered tools is going to help to streamline your workflow. Rather than juggling multiple platforms for drop shipping and having to deal with multiple tools, everything works together inside of one system. So when you're choosing a bundle, I want you guys to remember you're not only choosing a bundle based on only the price. You need to choose a bundle that fits where your business is today and where you want to see your business within the next 6 months. Whether you're just starting, you're building momentum, or you're preparing to scale, having the right system in place is going to make a huge difference. So if you're not quite ready for a growth bundle yet, you can always start with Doba's 99-cent trial just to explore the platform. If you would like to learn more about Doba's mid-year growth carnival, I'm leaving the information for that in the description below.